extinction, then listen and check.
Animals in danger. The World Wildlife Fund needs people to act now to help save the 10 most endangered species in the world. John Hewitt, aged 26, is planning to adopt a rhino through a special rhino protection project. I found out about the dangers rhinos face through a nature documentary on TV. Rhinos live in eastern and southern Africa. They weigh from 3 to 5 tons and can reach a speed of around 45 kilometers per hour. Although it is illegal, hunters kill them for their horns, which are very valuable. Now they are in danger of becoming extinct. I think that rhinos should be bred in captivity until they can live safely in the wild, and people must stop buying products made from rhino horn. Mei Lin, aged 23, wants to save the green-cheeked parrot. I first learnt about green-cheeked parrots at school. They are usually found in Mexico and are really good at copying people's voices. In the last 20 years, many have been smuggled across the border to the USA to be sold as pets. People value them as pets because they are attractive and have amusing personalities. Green-cheeked parrots are difficult to breed, so the species is slowly dying out, in my opinion. People should only buy parrots which have been bred in captivity. Then the green-cheeked parrot could be left in the wild, where it would have a better chance of survival. Lee Barker, aged 34, works for the WWF and is worried about the alligator snapping turtle. Here at WWF, we're trying to save this species of turtle, which is the largest freshwater turtle in North America. In fact, it is facing extinction because it's killed for its meat. Snapping turtle meat is often used in soups or sold in restaurants. Alligator snapping turtles only breed once a year. We believe that if people stopped buying these turtles as pets and stopped eating snapping turtle soup, the turtles would have a chance to breed and survive.
To listen and mark the sentences as T true or F false. Then, listen again and correct the false statements as in the example.
Do dogs make good pets? You've decided to add a pet to your family, but what pet is right? I think that the person who said that a dog is man's best friend is absolutely right. In my opinion, dogs make perfect house pets. First of all, dogs make wonderful companions. They always show their happiness as soon as their owner walks through the door, by wagging their tail and jumping up and down excitedly. They are playful and extremely loyal to their owners, so they are good company for the elderly and for children. Furthermore, trained dogs are useful to their owners. They are easy to train as watchdogs to guard your house and family, making you feel safe and secure. They can also be trained as guide dogs for the blind. They can be taught all sorts of tricks, even to collect the morning newspaper. On the other hand, dogs need a lot of attention. They need to be fed and brushed and taken for their daily walk or regular visit to the vet. However, this is a small price to pay in exchange for their friendship and loyalty. All in all, although having a dog can be tiring, I believe that they are the best pets. Spending a little time with your dog every day will certainly win you a best friend for life.